Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change language in Canon cameras. This is Canon SX620HS. So we will turn on the camera, turn on, and then click on menu here, menu, click on menu, and then go to other side, which is settings, and then go down to the button, before resetting all, so is languages. Click on it, click OK here, and then you can change for any language you select. So we can change to Spanish. We click on Spanish, it's changed all to Spanish. We can go back because it's before the button. Click on idioma, Spanish, and change back to other languages or English. That's it. Turn off. Thanks for watching. Bye.